If you are a beginner rock drummer and the first 10 minutes of the kit feels stiff or messy, like your hands and feet are not talking to each other, you are probably starting cold. Cold hands, cold feet, cold timing. That's when you are more likely to rush, more likely to tense up, and even a basic rock beat feels harder than it should. And then you try to fix it by playing faster, isn't it? Forcing fills or jumping between random exercises. But your body is still not warmed up, so nothing really locks in. And you leave practice thinking, man, I suck today. No, you do not suck. You just did not warm up. Because warm up is not just about getting sweaty, it's about switching on coordination. So I'm gonna run you through my 5-minute kit-only warm-up for beginner rock drummers. 5 blocks, 1 minute each at 80 BPM. And here is how to use this video. First, we do the full 5 minutes together. Then I will show you each block slow so you can pause it and learn it. Then you come back and play the full warm-up with me again. One rule, do not rush, stay relaxed. Clean is the goal. All right? Sticks ready? Let's go. Good. If that felt fast or the coordination was a little too hard, no stress. The more you do it, the easier it's going to be. And quick note, if you want a full plan that tells you what to practice next, Backbeat Code mini course is free. Do not click now, finish this warm-up first, link is below. Now I'll break down each block slowly so you can pause, learn it, and then do the full warm-up again. And if 80 BPM feels too easy later, no problem. Once you have got it, try it 90 or 100 at home. Alright, try this warm-up for a few days. Just this, same order, same tempo. Do it for 7 days right at the start of your practice and pay attention to how your hands and feet feel when you move on to grooves and songs. Most of my students notice everything feels easier, more connected, and way less frustrating. And if you want to keep learning, watch the lesson here. I'll see you soon. Bye.